My name is National Hawk. On my right is a breadboard. So the first step is done, writing my name. Then the next step is drawing the breadboard. Right now, what am I doing is I'm drawing the breadboard. Kind of already messed up on my drawing, so I'm gonna give it another try and make the drawing neat and tidy so I can see it clearly what it actually looks like as a breadboard. This is my second try drawing the breadboard, and I'm gonna try and make it neat and tidy so I can clearly see what it really looks like. A breadboard is a reusable electronic tool with a grid of holes and internal metal clips that allow the user to build, test, and modify temporary electronic circuit without permanent connection. Right now I'm placing the LED on the breadboard. Then I'm placing some wire, a resistance. I'm gonna place the resistant near the LED on the same row. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Now I get my battery, connect the red wire on the same row as the LED, and the black wire on the same row as the resistant. Now you see it turns on the LED. And now I'm going to take this step 2 and 3 because I already complete those. And step 4 is the nodes. So there's one node there. You see where I pointed. And a second node's there. Right there. And there's a third node on the top left. So altogether, there's 3 nodes on the breadboard. So I took out the black wire and I'm putting on the black wire on the same row as the resistant, and you still see the LEDs lighting up on any row on that specific row. So step 4 is done, and going on step 5, demonstrating how a standard socket are connected. Now I'm going to explain the live wire, neutral wire, and ground wire. Okay, now I messed up kind of, so I'll do it again. So a live wire, it pushes energy into a lamp. A neutral wire, it carries out the energy. The ground wire, it connects to the ground. These are sockets. All the number row have a metal strips connected the whole row. For example, row 1 is not connected to row 2, but it's only connected to a specific row. So it comes in the red row, then goes through the long leg of the LED and goes down to the short leg of the LED through the resistance and goes back to the black wire to the battery. So step 5, 6, and 7 is ticked off. So the next step is the second LED added and the first is bypass. So now I'm doing that. So I put the red wire in the plus rail and the black wire in the minus rail. So I'm placing the red wire, the second red wire, on the plus rail. So I'm placing the black wire, technically I want to place it on the plus rail, this black wire. Then after that, I'm gonna place this blue wire on the minus rail. I'm just taking my time. Then I'm gonna add my second LED light. near on like the same row as the blue wire and the resistant as well, which the energy will flow and turn on both the lights. Also, I'm putting the long leg to the resistant and the short leg on the blue wire, this on the row. So now you see both of them lights on, and I kind of messed up on the black wire. I kind of placed on the minus rail. Instead, it should be placed on the plus rail. Should be on the plus rail. Yeah. So now the second step of this step 8 is turn off one of the lights, which I picked the right light. The left right is going to turn off, and all the energy will flow into that right LED light. So I'm going to place this black wire on the same row as the red wire, you can see, and to the resistant. So you see the left wire will not get any more energy on, so all the energy will go flow to the right LED. So yeah.